Hi class, let's go under modules and see what week 3 has in store for us this week. So if we scroll down to modules, week 3, post-secondary education and ESL English math sequencing. So those are the topics of this week. So if you click on the overview of week 3, we're going to discuss what we're going to learn and what we're going to do. So we're going to understand the different certificate and degree options available to students after completing high school. So how to get certificates, how to get degrees, what level of degrees are offered at the community college versus the university level. We're going to learn about the different types of universities in California. We're going to understand the math, English, and ESL sequencing charts that we have here at GCC and the courses that students need to take in order to get degrees and or transfer to university. And we're going to define what prerequisites, co-requisites, and recommended prep is. So this week you're required to read and listen to the PowerPoint presentation lecture on post-secondary education. You're going to read, listen to the PowerPoint on the lecture on English, Math, and ESL course sequencing. Once you've completed all the lectures and you reviewed the material, you're going to complete the English, ESL, and Math sequencing worksheet, which is going to be due by Saturday, 11:59 p.m. As always, we have our weekly discussion, so make sure your initial discussion is due by Wednesday and your initial post is posted by Wednesday and your replies to your classmates is by Wednesday. So if you click next, you'll be able to go ahead and start reviewing the lectures. I have a lecture with voice over video so you can follow along, and then I have the PowerPoint version if you want to save it. Okay, that's the same thing goes for that lecture and the one for English, Math, and ESL sequencing. Once you click next after the lectures, you'll see the directions for your assignment, okay, and when it is due by. Good luck!